Alright, going to quickly break this blaster of the new Press Pass Ignite. It does have a guaranteed one authentic autograph or relic card in every box. So we got 2 packs and 5 cards. So not much to break, should be real quick. This is the first box of this I broke, so I have not seen them yet. You can see that is it. Looks like we're going to get the relic. But you never know, I could be wrong. Alright, first pack, Ryan Newman. Just focus. Does not want to focus in on that, does it? Alright. Marcus Ambrose. And nice little Danica Patrick insert. Jeff Burton. And we got Carl Edwards, Ignite Hot Threads. Race Use Fire Suit. Pretty cool. Alright. Greg Biffle, Kyle Busch, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and a pretty sweet little junior top speed there. That's cool. And then we got the blue cyan Carl Edwards top speed insert. That's cool. And the dummy. Alright, that's it. Check us out on Twitter at Jammin JD Cards. And we got giveaways there. And my link to the storefronts down below. They should be up for sale soon. Thanks for watching.